There are like a bazillion salsa recipes on the internet, but I don't really see too many that are like this one. I clipped this recipe from our local newspaper ages ago, which was from an article about our local Mexican restaurant called Mexico. And this is their signature salsa, and I've been making it pretty much ever since, especially in late summer when literally all of the tomatoes in my garden decide to ripen at the exact same time, and then I have trouble figuring out what to do with them all. The thing is, I'm anti-tomato refrigeration. I think it ruins the taste and the texture, but the reality is that sometimes it's better to refrigerate a tomato than let it rot on your counter. So this salsa is ideal for using up those refrigerated tomatoes or the ones that are like a day or two from being overripe because they get cooked down and it basically cancels out all of the damage that the refrigeration does. It's really simple. You just boil all of the usual ingredients with water and then blend it up until nice and smooth. But the key is to mix in some raw white onion and cilantro at the end to give it more texture and flavor. It's so easy, but it's so good, and it's such a great way to use up those summer tomatoes when you got them, because Lord knows we are not letting them go to waste.